Happy morning, students. Today now let us start the new chapter trigonometry MCQ questions. Given that sin alpha equal to root 3 by 2 and cos beta equal to 0, then the value of beta minus alpha is. Solution: the value of sin alpha equal to root 3 by 2, cos beta equal to 0, sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2, therefore sin alpha equal to sin 60 and cos 90 oda value 0, therefore cos beta equal to cos 90, therefore alpha equal to 60, beta equal to 90 degree. Therefore find the value of beta minus alpha. Therefore beta minus alpha equal to 90 minus 60 equal to 90 minus 60, 30 degree. Optional B is a correct answer. Question number 2. If sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta, find tan theta. Solution: sin theta plus cos theta equal to root 2 cos theta. Sin theta root 2 cos theta plus cos theta right hand side move panna minus cos theta. Sin theta cos theta common வெளியே எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா root 2 minus 1, root 2 cos theta வெளியே வந்துட்டா 1, therefore sin theta by cos theta multiplication left hand side வரப்போ divider change ஆகிடும். sin theta by cos theta root 2 minus 1, sin by cos ஓட value tan theta equal to root 2 minus 1, therefore answer A is a correct answer. Question number 3. If tan A equal to 5 by 12, find sin A plus cos A into secant A is. Solution: sin A plus cos A into secant A. Next step, sin A plus cos A, secant உடைய reciprocal 1 by cos A, multiplying 1 by cos A, therefore sin A by cos A, sin A by cos A, multiplying cos A into 1 by cos A, cos A cancel 1, therefore sin A by cos A oda value tan A plus 1, sin A by cos A oda value tan A plus 1, tan A oda value 5 by 12, 5 by 12 plus 1, cross multiplying 12 ones are 12, 5 plus 12 by 12, therefore adding 5 plus 12, 17 by 12, therefore C is a correct answer, 17 by 12. Question number 4. If sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, find theta. Solution: sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0, sin theta minus right hand side plus 0 plus cos theta oda value cos theta, next multiply left hand side vanda divide sin theta by cos theta equal to 1, sin by cos oda value 1, tan theta sin by cos oda value tan theta equal to 1. Therefore tan 45 oda value 1. Therefore theta equal to 45 degree. Theta equal to 45 degree. Tan 45 degree oda value 1. Therefore theta equal to 45. Question number 5. Find 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Solution: 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sin square 60. Tan 45 oda value 1. அப்போ 2 into 1 square cos 30 oda value root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 the whole square minus sin 60. Sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2 the whole square. Therefore root 3 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2 the whole square is cancelled. 2 into 1 square பண்ணா 1. 2 into 1. 2 into 1 oda value 2. Therefore the correct answer is B. Question number 6. If x equal to 2 sin square theta, comma y equal to 2 cos square theta plus 1, then find x plus y. X plus y, x oda value 2 sin square theta plus y oda value 2 cos square theta plus 1. Common 2 வெளியே எடுத்துட்டிங்கன்னா sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 1. Using the identity sin square theta plus cos square theta oda value 1. 2 into 1 plus 1. 2 into 1 oda value 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 oda value 3. Therefore the correct answer C. Question number 7. 2 sin square x equal to 1 by 2. Find the value of x. Solution: 2 sin square x equal to 1 by 2. Sin square x equal to multiply right hand side divide 1 by 2 into 2 oda value 4. Square root on both side. Sin square x root எடுத்தீங்கன்னா sin x. 1 by 4 oda root value 1 by 2. Sin 30 oda value 1 by 2. Therefore x equal to 30 degree. Sin 30 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore x equal to 1 by 2. Answer B. Question number 8. Evaluate sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Solution: sin 60 cos 30 plus sin 30 cos 60. Sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2 into cos 30. Cos 30 oda value root 3 by 2 plus sin 30 oda value 1 by 2 cos 60 oda value 1 by 2. Therefore root 3 into root 3 3. 2 into 2 4 plus 1 into 1 1. 2 2s are 4. Denominator same. Adding the numerator 3 plus 1 4. 4 by 4 cancel பண்ணா 1. Therefore correct answer A. Question number 9. If 2 sin square beta minus cos square beta equal to 2, then find the value of beta. 2 sin square beta minus cos square beta equal to 2. 2 sin square beta minus cos square beta equal to 2. Using the identity cos square beta equal to 1 minus sin square beta. 2 sin square beta minus 1 minus sin square beta equal to 2. Therefore 2 sin square beta minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square beta equal to 2. 2 sin square beta plus sin square beta oda value 3 sin square beta minus 1 right hand side pona plus 2 plus 1. Therefore sin square beta equal to 3, multiply value right hand side on the divide 3 by 3. Sin square beta equal to 1. Therefore square root on both sides. Sin beta equal to 1. Therefore sin 90 oda value 1. Sin 90 oda value 1. That is beta equal to 90 degree. Beta equal to 90 degree. Therefore the answer B. Question number 10. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A equal to root 3, tan A equal to root 3, therefore tan 60 oda value root 3. Therefore angle A equal to 60 degree. Angle A equal to 60 degree. The angle sum property, the sum of interior angle of the triangle 180 degree. Therefore 90, 60, 150. Therefore angle C equal to 30 degree. Remaining angle 30 degree. Angle C equal to 30 degree. Find cos A, cos C minus sin A, sin C. Cos A, A oda value 60. Cos 60, cos 30 minus sin 60 sin 30. Therefore cos 60 oda value 1 by 2, cos 30 oda value root 3 by 2 minus sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2 sin 30 oda value 1 by 2. Therefore multiplying 1 into root 3, 2 2s are 4 minus root 3 into 1 root 3, 2 2s are 4. Therefore root 3 minus by 4 minus root 3 by 4, the answer 0. Therefore the correct answer B. Question number 11. If the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:1:2 respectively, the largest angle being angle C. Therefore 1:1:2, the angle 45 is to 90. The largest angle is C. Therefore it is a 90 degree. Remaining the two angle A 45 degree, B 45 degree. Then the value of secant A by cosecant B minus tan A by cot B. Secant A value A is a secant 45 minus cosecant 45. A oda value 45, B oda value 45. Therefore tan 45 minus cot 45. Secant 45 is a reciprocal of a cos 45 value. Therefore reciprocal secant 45 oda value root 2 by cosecant 45 sin 45 oda reciprocal value 1 by 2 oda reciprocal value root 2, tan 45 oda value 1, cot 45 oda value 1. Therefore root 2 cancel panna 1 minus 1 minus 1 oda value 0. Therefore the correct answer is A. 12th question. If 4 tan theta equal to 3, then 4 sin theta minus cos theta by 4 sin theta plus cos theta is equal to. Solution. 4 sin theta minus cos theta by 4 sin theta plus cos theta equal to both numerator and denominator dividing by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta oda value tan theta. Therefore 4 dividing cos theta, sin by cos oda value tan theta, cos theta by cos theta oda value 1. Next 4 sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta oda value tan theta. Therefore 4 tan theta. Cos theta by cos theta oda value 1. Therefore 4 tan theta oda value 3. 3 minus 1. 4 tan theta oda value 3. 3 plus 1. 3 minus 1 oda value 2. 3 plus 1 oda value 4. Cancel. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Therefore the correct answer C. Question number 13. If sin theta equal to x and secant theta equal to y, then tan theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta 1 by cos theta oda value secant theta. 1 by cos theta is also written as secant theta. Therefore sin theta oda value x, secant theta oda value y. Therefore tan theta equal to x, y. Therefore answer A. Number 14. If cos theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then the value of sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta is given cos theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Cos theta equal to plus right hand side minus 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta oda trigonometric form sin square theta. Sin square theta. Therefore find the value of sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta. Sin square theta oda value cos theta plus sin power 4 theta. Squaring sin square value sin power 4 theta equal to cos square theta. Sin square theta equal to cos theta. Sin square theta equal to cos theta. Squaring on both sides. Sin power 4 theta equal to cos square theta. Therefore sin power 4 theta equal to cos square theta. Therefore cos theta plus cos square theta oda value 1. Therefore the correct answer C. Number 15. Given that sin theta equal to A by B, then find the value of tan theta. Diagram ABC. Theta. Sin theta oda value sin theta equal to opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side oda value A, hypotenuse oda value B. Find the value of adjacent side. Find the value of adjacent side first. AB equal to adjacent side equal to root of h square minus opposite side the whole square. Root of adjacent side equal to root of hypotenuse square. Hypotenuse oda value B square minus opposite side. Opposite side value A square. B square minus A square. Hypotenuse the whole square minus opposite side the whole square. Find the value of tan theta. Tan theta equal to opposite side by adjacent side. This value is a opposite side. This value is a adjacent side. Opposite side value A by root of adjacent side value B square minus A square. Therefore the correct answer D. 16. If cos A equal to 4 by 5. Cos A equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. The adjacent side oda value 4. Hypotenuse value oda value 5. 4, 5, hypotenuse 5. First find the value of OS, opposite side. OS equal to root of hypotenuse square minus adjacent side the whole square. Hypotenuse square oda value 5. 5 square minus adjacent side the whole square 4 square 5 square oda value 25 minus 16 25 minus 16 oda value 9 root 9 oda value 3. Then find the value of tan A. Tan A equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side oda value 3, adjacent side oda value 4. Therefore tan A equal to 3 by 4. Therefore the correct answer B. If sin A equal to 1 by 2, solution sin A equal to 1 by 2. Sin 30 oda value 1 by 2. Therefore the value of A equal to 30 degree. A equal to 30 degree. Find the value of cot A. Cot A. Cot 30 degree. Cot 30 oda value root 3. Cot 30 oda value root 3. Therefore the correct answer A. If 2 sin theta equal to root 3, 2 sin theta equal to root 3, therefore sin theta equal to root 3 by 2, multiply right hand side on the divide root 3 by 2, sin 60 oda value root 3 by 2, therefore the theta value is 60 degree. Sin 60 equal to root 3 by 2, therefore theta equal to 60 degree. Therefore the correct answer B. Correct answer B. Number 19. If tan theta plus cot theta equal to 5, find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. Given tan theta plus cot theta equal to 5, squaring on both sides, tan theta plus cot theta the whole square equal to 5 square. Using the formula A plus B whole square, A square plus B square plus 2AB. A oda value tan theta, B oda value cot theta. Therefore A square plus B square plus 2AB 5A square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 25. Tan theta into cot theta oda value 1. Therefore tan square theta plus cot square theta, tan into cot oda value 1, 2 into 1 2 equal to 25. Therefore tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 right hand side move panna minus 2, 25 minus 2. Therefore tan square theta plus cot square theta oda value 23. Question number 20. If triangle ABC is a right angle at C, then the value of secant A plus B. Right angle at C, A, B. Secant A plus B. By using angle sum property 90 degree, the sum of interior angle of the triangle is 180 degree. Angle C equal to 90 degree. Therefore remaining angle A plus angle B equal to 90 degree. 90 plus 90 equal to 180 degree. Therefore secant A plus B equal to 90 degree. Secant 90 degree. Cos 90 oda value 0. Therefore secant on the cos oda reciprocal. Therefore 1 by 0 equal to undefined. Secant 90 is a reciprocal of cos 90. Therefore 1 by 0 oda value undefined. If sin A plus sin square A equal to 1, then the value of cos square a plus cos power 4a given sin a plus sin square a equal to 1, sin a equal to 1 minus sin square a. Therefore sin a equal to 1 minus sin square a oda trigonometry value cos square a. Therefore cos square a oda value sin a, squaring on both sides, cos power 4 equal to sin square a, cos power 4 equal to sin square a. Then find the value of cos square a plus cos power 4a equal to cos square a oda value sin a plus cos power 4 oda value cos power 4 oda value sin square a, cos power 4 oda value sin square a. Therefore sin a plus sin square a oda value 1. Therefore the correct answer a. Number 22. What is the maximum value of 1 by cosecant a? Solution: 1 by cosecant a equal to 1 by cosecant is a value is sin a. The maximum value of sin a is 1. Therefore answer B. The maximum value of sin a is 1. Answer B. Question number 23. Sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Then the value of sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta is sin theta minus cos theta equal to 0. Sin theta minus right hand side pona plus cos theta. Sin 45 oda value 1 by root 2. Cos 45 oda value 1 by root 2. Therefore theta equal to 45 degree. Theta equal to 45 degree. Sin power 4 theta plus cos power 4 theta. Therefore sin 45 sin power 45 degree plus cos 45 degree. Sin 45 oda value 1 by root 2 the whole power 4. Cos 45 value 1 by root 2 the whole power 4. 1 by root 2 4 times multiply பண்ணிங்கன்னா root 2 into root 2 2 2 into 2 4 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. The denominator is same. Adding the numerator 1 plus 1 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the correct answer is C. Question number 24. Cos power 4a minus sin power 4 is equal to cos power 4a minus sin power 4a. Cos power 4 also write as cos square a the whole square minus sin square a the whole square. Using the formula a square minus b square, a minus b into a plus b. Therefore a oda value cos square a, b oda value sin square a. A minus b into a plus b. Next, cos square a plus sin square a oda value 1. Therefore this value is 1. Cos square a minus sin square a oda trigonometry formula 1 minus cos square a, 1 minus cos square a. Therefore cos square a minus 1 minus into minus plus cos square a. Therefore cos square a plus cos square a oda value 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 cos square a minus 1. Therefore the correct answer is D. If sin theta equal to 5 by 13, opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse. First find the adjacent side equal to hypotenuse square minus opposite side the whole square. 13 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 169. 5 square பண்ணிங்கன்னா 25. 169 minus 25 ஓட value 144. 144 ஓட square root value 12. Therefore the adjacent value is 12. Next to find the tan theta. Tan theta equal to OS by AS, opposite side by adjacent side. Therefore the value of opposite side 5 by the adjacent side order value 12. Therefore the correct answer is B.